Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting money origami tutorial. Today, we're going to create a cute origami bird using real dollar bills. It's a simple, fun, and creative design that's perfect for a unique gift or decoration. Let's get started and create this adorable bird together. Step 1. Connect 3 bills to form a square. Start by attaching 3 bills together to create a perfect square. Origami tip: make sure the edges of the bills line up neatly so the square is clean and symmetrical. This will make the folding process easier and the result sharper. Step 2. Fold diagonally in half. Now fold your square diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner to form a triangle. Press firmly along the crease to make sure it's sharp. Step 3. Fold the bottom section upward. Take the bottom section of the triangle and fold it up toward the top, creating a smaller triangle. This will help shape the body of the bird. Step 4. Flip over and fold the top sections down. Next, flip the paper over and fold the top sections down to form the bird's wings. Make sure the folds are even and sharp to get a clean look. Origami tip: press the folds firmly with your fingers to ensure the wings sit flat and sharp. Step 5. Open up and fold the outer corners inward. Now, carefully open up the folds and fold the outer corners inward toward the center. This step creates the base for the bird's head and tail. Step 6. Fold in half. Take the entire shape and fold it in half from top to bottom. This will bring the bird's body and wings together. Step 7. Fold the legs. Next, take the bottom section and fold it to form the legs of the bird. You can fold just a small section for the feet. Adjust the legs to make them even. Origami tip. Adjusting the legs at a slight angle can make your bird look like it's standing or in flight. Step 8. Fold the head. Finally, fold the top point down to form the bird's head. You can adjust the angle to give your bird a sharp or rounded look, depending on the style you want. Step 9, done. And there you have it, your very own money origami bird. It's simple, charming, and perfect as a gift or a creative decoration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to let us know how your money origami bird turned out. See you in the next origami adventure. Money origami, origami bird, dollar origami, easy origami, origami gift, creative origami.